carbon fiber vented hood. I don't know why there's something about carbon fiber hoods and just carbon fiber in general that just make me so happy and make me want them so bad. That's how we do it the Danny Z way, bro. Oh my god, it looks so good from the front. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, oh, he's good. Yo, I just saw a bird get caught on those wires right over there. I swear he was caught. That's why I walked over here. I did not want to make the same mistake twice. Last time I tried seeing a bird, I waited till the next day and I couldn't. So this time I did not want to make the mistake again. There's legit an airplane in every single one of my videos. Okay, so here we are, one-on-one talk. Every single day after I got my carbon fiber fenders, I've gotten a message from one of you. Probably even your mom has texted me, Danny, you need a carbon fiber hood, hood, still waiting for the hood. Day 271 of waiting for Danny's hood. Well, guess what? My name is Danny. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, leave a big thumbs up. Today's a big day we've all been waiting for. Brittany, my Nissan 370Z, is getting a carbon fiber hood. Let's get it. I don't know if you want me to put this in vlog, but I just had to get my reaction. What's up, bro? Oh, dude. So good, look at the seams. I get it, look at the seams. Alright, we're filming. Here we have the Alliance Carbon God, Josh himself, and he's bringing us something that we've been waiting for a while.
Everyone's commenting about it.
Everybody's been commenting about this for like a good, since I got the fenders.
Yeah.
It's been an everyday comment in my DMs, in YouTube comments, everywhere. Today we're gonna give it to you. Actually, we're gonna show you when we unwrap it. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it now, and then we're gonna put it on the car. Scratch that, we're gonna take off the hood. I'm a little too excited, I'm getting ahead of myself. So my hood is gonna be a little more, actually not even difficult, but we do have this strut, which we can literally just take off the brackets. This might be 12 mils, take everything to the side. There's one in the back, one here, another one here.
Yeah.
The hood comes off. Yes, let's get it. Josh is a little excited getting ahead. So we gotta take off these, latches, and here goes nothing, right? Or is there something here?
Well, this thing's supposed to go there, but yours was missing the clip.
Yeah, mine is just missing. So take out the latches, then we gotta take off this thing in the middle, which is like the spring. And then there's like one bolt on each side. These are 12 mils, right?
Yeah, 12.
So these are pretty much all 12 mils.
And then there's
the other latch over there.
Yeah.
And then we gotta get those 6 down there.
Yeah.
Dude, I wish we could just snap our fingers and then everything's just done.
Yeah, I know.
Well, we could, but that'll be YouTube magic. That won't be real life magic, sadly. So if we're struggling, you guys are gonna struggle with us. Yo, so I'm taking this for the, what would you call this? Like the thing that shoots water. Windshield washer, right? What even is this? I've never seen anything like this. Do I just like pull it down?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, got it.
Oh, you got it?
Pretty easy. You just gotta pry it out, like you said. Good guys. Yo, Josh just asked me a great question. He said, what are you gonna do with all these parts?
Yeah? What was that?
That was a ghost. I knew it. There's a ghost on here. There's a perfectly, it's not perfect, but there's a hood right over there. I also have fenders. If you want them, just let me know. They're not in perfect condition, but you're sitting around. I just turned around to this and it was so weird. What the heck? Dude, that actually looks kind of cool.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks kind of good.
It looks kind of cool. Have you guys ever seen a Z without a hood? That's what it looks like. This is what I gave him to a box. Like full carbon fiber hood. Dude, that's how we do it the Danny Z way, bro.
What even is this? It's a spatula?
There you go.
It's just a little sauce.
Look at the flick of the wrist. Hold on, I have a, oh, look at my friend. Brown ladybug?
It's orange.
I'm colorblind, bro. That was messed up. Alright, so now next part is basically putting everything back. So the spring, what would you call this? This is like a spring that...
The latch, I guess?
The latch, I guess you could say it's this latch. So the latch goes here, and then you gotta put on these 2 latches on the sides, and that's pretty much it. Then you gotta, well, we gotta put the little brackets back there. All right, so we got all these on and we're pretty much done basically, but we're gonna do one thing in case you guys want to do it out there. The OEM hood should come out with this little weather strip. Do you want to take this one out just so you can see how they can do it?
Oh yeah.
You basically get one of these and then just, pretty simple. We're gonna show you guys how we're gonna put that onto this hood.
You're not gonna come with the holes drilled, you're gonna have to do it yourself.
Yeah, so it's not gonna come with the holes drilled, but in case you guys want to do it yourselves, because it's not really necessary. We're kind of just showing you guys, like I said, in case you want to do it yourself. Oh, and you guys probably saw that we were trying to, well, he was tapping these holes. You're not gonna have to do it yourself. Everything's gonna be tapped, everything's gonna be perfect. There's like an early production, so just to get over here so we can do the install and show you guys the new product he's gonna come out with, we decided we'll just do it here. So do not worry, whenever you buy this hood, the holes will be tapped. And also, so we just figured something out. The layout of this hood under, it's kind of different than the OEM. So what we're gonna do, we're still gonna put the weather strip in the front, but we're gonna go ahead and chop it off right here on that side. It's probably gonna still do its purpose in a way, but I mean, it's fine. We're also gonna have to drill less, so it's just gonna be the front ones, some on the sides. Should be good. Dude, I'll do anything just to use these. These are great. Watch this, it's one cut through. Bam. Dude, this thing is crazy, bro. Yo, I don't think you guys realize how hot it is right now. It's like what, a good 200?
Oh, 100%. No, it's 300.
300 degrees, there we go, yeah. Yeah. Look at that, dude. Woo. Brian, what do you think, dude? I honestly like the hood that I have on now better. Where you can see the engine
I
bay.
just want to hold the top of it, Brian.
It's good here.
Yeah, okay. So we gotta
fix.
We gotta.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't handle this, Brian. I can't. I'm just gonna leave the camera here.
Drop the mic.
I'll talk to you guys later.
There we go.
Dude, this is my car. I don't think this is my car, bro.
Yeah.
Is it gonna go on either?
I think it has to do with this shock.
Wow, qué bonito. Wow. Qué bonito está.
They don't like it.
Le entra más aire, motor.
I know, okay, bonito.
There goes Brian. Okay, so we're gonna try something because Josh is saying that the struts, a lot of manufacturers say that you shouldn't run carbon hoods with struts just because it flexes it a little bit, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try taking the struts off, seeing if the hood sits a little bit better. We're still playing with the fitment. If it changes anything, I'll probably take off the struts, and then later on try to figure out a way where I can put the struts and it still look right. And if it doesn't change anything, we'll just put back the struts and then just try to figure it out. But dude, this thing is looking insane. Parents love it. It looks incredible. I'm gonna give you guys a really nice time lapse at the end, but until then, we're gonna get it fixed. Oh my god, oh my camera just fell. The tripod is broken. I know you guys don't want to see me. Quick update though, we ended up putting the struts back in, or the hood struts. Didn't do that big of a difference. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash the car, but with that said, I'm just gonna let you guys look at the hood this angle for like a couple seconds. And Josh, dude. So the home cannon I had at home didn't work because the power washer didn't want to connect to the foam cannon. So we're gonna go to the so we're gonna go somewhere to wash the car. But check this out. The view from here is so amazing. This thing looks sick. Look at this, dude. Look at this. Look at this. I created a vlogger, bro. Dude, we were saying how great the vents from the fender right here go with the hood. Like, oh my god, it looks so good from the front. Wow. Big thumbs up. Okay, so Josh gave me the spotlight to tell you guys that these fenders, by the time you're watching this, should be Monday. They're already live. Wait, what? I said fenders. This hood is gonna be live on alliancecarbon.com. I'm gonna link it top of the description. Go buy it because, dude, oh my gosh. Yeah, it reminds me of like a skeleton or something like that, right?
Yeah.
Like it has so much like vents and freaking. Oh, and I don't think I showed you guys, but it actually comes with a mesh.
Has a rain guard to keep out the water from your engine bay.
Yeah, that's so you can see like the black. Yeah.
But the rain guard will run the water down to the end of the hood.
Yeah, so it's like a really good mechanism that he did.
You can take it out if you want like maximum airflow. You can take off the rain guard.
Yeah.
And just run it straight vents. It's not gonna hurt the engine or nothing. I mean, it might. I don't know.
Yeah.
Run the rain guards if you're worried. You know.
We're gonna stop looking at the car. We gotta watch the car because from here we're going somewhere, which you already saw the vlog. From here we went to the import place, which is gonna be amazing, but let's watch the car. $5. What should we use though?
Not stealing someone's money.
Yeah, we're not. Make sure you put that in. Okay, swipe. What do you mean swipe card? I just put $5.
Oh, it's running. It's running.
It's running? Okay, so what do I do
Oh my
here?
gosh, 10 minutes, guy. No. High pressure rinse.
High pressure rinse? Alright.
Yeah, just don't get it too close to the car, probably.
This angle right here, it looks like it's from another planet. What even is going on right there, dude? What? It's too good? It's too damn good? Wow. Yo, that's amazing, dude. Josh is the carbon guru. I'm just gonna put it that way.
Yeah, I know, right?
What we waited for. Dude, remember, great things take time. Dude, I can look at it just all day, every day. I think when I get home, I'm just gonna sit down and just stare at the car.
Pull up a chair.
Dude, this looks insane. Big thank you to Alliance Carbon, bro. Oh my god. We gotta carbon the whole car.
Oh yeah, 100%. Whole car.
Oh, dude, it looks so good on camera. And in person, looks pretty crazy. I'm gonna try to come out to some meets, show you guys, because it looks so good. But okay, I'm gonna end it off here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Big thank you to Josh once again. He's right there. Oh, the sun is so bad. Also, if you guys do want the hood or the fenders, link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the carbon hood on the car? Dude, after seeing the hood carbon with the fenders, the car blends so well. I don't know if I wanna, I'm gonna keep it this color for a while, like with exposed carbon. Subscribe, and with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to check out the second channel, Danny's the Latino. I haven't uploaded in almost a month, but I promise I will. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.